Our gambling laws are so outdated they refer to betting by post more than online gambling. In 2005, phones were just phones. Not so today. The government has promised to review parts of the Gambling Act, but today's problems require the most comprehensive review possible. Currently, nothing limits the stake per spin on addictive slots or casino games online, or how quickly you can spin again, or how much you can deposit. Huge losses are being racked up minute by minute. Meanwhile, children are exposed to advertising that normalizes gambling. In terms of policy, the gambling industry funds research itself through a voluntary levy, which is hardly impartial. And finally, it's easy to acquire a gambling operator license and move offshore for tax purposes, but difficult to revoke a license when they fail in their responsibilities. A thorough review will clean this up. Please contact your MP and demand one.